I'm sharing a sample of script that I have made for an art exhibition opening. You're watching Emcee Bali channel with me, Nirmala Trisna. Here are the simple rules to make Emcee opening remarks. Make greetings, welcoming the speakers and the audience, mentioning the venue. Highlight the host and the event title. Thank the audience for coming. Introduce ourselves and inform the audience what to expect in this event. Highlight the event's special message. Highlight if the host prepares special food or there will be a special presentation. Introduce the first program or speaker. Here is my opening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Alila Seminyak. We are here for the opening of Hope's art exhibition, presented to you by Kita Art Friends and Alila Seminyak. I'm Nirmala on behalf of the hosts, extending our big thanks to each and every one of you for being with us this afternoon. We are very delighted to have you all, and we are here for the opening of this art exhibition presenting amazing works of 17 contemporary artists curated by Kita Art Friends. Friends, art lovers, ladies and gentlemen, now I'd like to invite founder and curator of Kita Art Friends to say a few words to start this opening. This collaborative project would not happen without the shared passion and trust from our eminent partner, General Manager of Alila Seminyak. It is my pleasure to invite you to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now the time to reveal 70 artistic works by 17 Indonesian visual artists. They showcase how hope shapes our path. They connect their life experience and interesting journey with their expectation for the future. We will be able to dive into their soul, to listen to their desires and believe in their hearts. To inaugurate Hope's art exhibition, we would like to invite our young generation. We relay our hopes to the younger generation, planting our desires within their heart and let them live our dream and the future. Please be invited, young artists from the Bali Children Foundation. Now, as a symbol of hope, let's reveal this artwork representing hard work, intelligence, and reliability. Now for the closing. It is as simple as saying our appreciation to the speakers, to the guests, and anyone who is relevant. We can also convey any special message to remind the guest about the event objective. Here's my sample. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, art friends, for coming this evening. Do help us spread the word of this art exhibition. On behalf of the host, I'm Nirmala Trisna. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your evening. I hope this video is useful as a reference to develop Emcee script for social event. Remember to highlight the reason why that event is held and go through the program as smooth as possible. Do you have any questions? Please let me know in the comment section. I'm Nirmala Trisna. Thank you for watching. See you next time.